Hi, welcome back. Or if you're just joining, my name is Maya, and welcome to my channel, Cranleyplace, where I'm focused on Hermès scarf style, inspiration, and more. Before we get started, let me give a shout out to all the channel members, and special welcome to the knot connoisseurs and elegant insiders. I appreciate your ongoing support. If you haven't seen the membership options, please do check them out. In this video, I'll review a 90cm silk twill from Hermès' Fall-Winter 2025 season called Dans les bras de Selene by brilliant artist duo Edouard Baribaud and Sophia Andreotti. We'll explore its story, the colorways, how to style it across seasons, and why collectors are already coveting it. Let's get started. Baribaud and Andreotti are a Franco-German artist duo who have collaborated with Hermès on several scarf designs that blend mythology, storytelling, and fine art. Their creative partnership is defined by a shared vision of poetic narrative and richly layered symbolism, drawing from both classical sources and contemporary sensibilities. Paris-born Baribaud studied illustration at the École nationale supérieure des arts décoratifs in Paris and developed an early affinity for mixing drawing, painting, and storytelling. His individual work is often inspired by mythology, architecture, and literature, and he is known for combining classical forms with a surreal or dreamlike touch. He has exhibited internationally, including at the Musée des Arts Décoratifs in Paris. Sophia Andreotti is a German art historian and writer. While she is less publicly profiled than Baribaud, her contributions are key to the duo's conceptual depth. With her academic background, Andreotti helps shape the narrative and thematic context of their joint creations, infusing them with cultural references, art historical knowledge, and literary resonance. Known for his intricate layered illustrations that bring mythical worlds to life, Baribaud's work blends the fantastical with nature in a way that feels both cinematic and intimate. Sophia Andreotti brings an equally unique lens. Her understanding of narrative, symbolism, and visual storytelling adds depth to every design she touches. Together, for this design, they've created a scarf that is not only visually stunning, but tells a story you can wear. Animals appear to move, foliage seems to sway, and the moonlight shimmers as you twist the silk, every fold transforming the narrative. Now let's talk colorways, each transforming the scarf's mood and telling the story differently. Vert Jaune Corail. Bold and sunlit, this palette features green foliage, yellow sunlight, and pops of coral for warmth. It's a statement piece, perfect for summer ensembles, pairing beautifully with neutral tones and, as an example, a gold Birkin. Blanc, Rose, Vert. Soft and airy, Blanc, Rose, and Vert evokes spring mornings. Gentle pinks, crisp whites, and subtle greens make it versatile, perfect for pastel outfits, cream knits, or a rose sakura Kelly. Bleu pétrole, vert, and bleu ciel. Cool and serene, this petrol blue, sky blue, and green feels reflective and nocturnal. Ideal for winter, it pairs effortlessly with navy, charcoal, or black leathers, creating understated sophistication. Gris bleuté, saumon, and jaune. Mixed and uptonal, this bluish-gray, salmon, and yellow colorway brings quiet elegance. It would complement camel coats, gray trousers, and neutral-toned accessories, perfect for subtle, refined, seasonal looks. Khaki, corail, and caramel. Earthy yet lively, khaki, coral, and caramel evokes warmth and richness. This is ideal for late summer to early autumn, pairing with olive, beige, or rust tones. This is for collectors who love expressive yet grounded palettes. Vert amande, bouton d'or, and blanc. Fresh and delicate, this almond green, buttercup yellow, and white feels like springtime dew. Exceptionally wearable, it would pair beautifully with pastels, linens, and soft textures, perfect for romantic daytime styling. Styling these scarves is where their magic truly comes alive. Starting with a vert Jean Corail, you could pair this with, like I said, with a gold birkin and a white linen dress for summer elegance. Try a loose cowboy knot for casual charm or a dramatic drape over the shoulders for an evening statement. Blanc, rose, and vert, a rose sakura Kelly would complement the soft pastels. You could fold it in a bias knot around the neck for office chic or drape loosely over a blouse for brunch with friends. Bleu pétrole, vert, and bleu ciel. Noir Kelly would work beautifully here, layered over a navy cashmere sweater with dark trousers for winter sophistication with a bias fold, or you could tie it as a waist wrap to subtly echo the evening blues. Gris bleuté, saumon, and Jean. Étoupe Lindy or gris asphalt Kelly would again pair effortlessly here. You could style it as a belt over camel trench or fold delicately around the neck to complement the muted autumnal shades. Khaki, corail, and caramel. A gold, caramel, or a taupe purse would complement this palette. Olive or beige separates, camel boots, and with the scarf draped loosely over the shoulders or again as a belt for a very transitional autumn vibe. Veramont, bouton d'or, blanc. Here I'm thinking a cray Kelly or a Veramont would work well. Soft linen dress or neutral knits using an airy drape or delicate knot would give some springtime freshness. Collectors overall will see each colorway differently. The Vert, Jean, and Corail is my guess for the Grail pick colorway, iconic and bold. Blanc, Rose, and Vert is probably the most wearable, perfect for everyday elegance. Bleu pétrole, Vert, and Bleu ciel is a quiet, understated favorite for those who appreciate subtle sophistication. Gris bleuté, saumon, and Jean is likely to appeal to lovers of understated luxury, whereas khaki, corail, and caramel would be a seasonal favorite, earthy yet expressive, and ideal for collectors who enjoy autumnal warmth. The Veramont, Bouton d'Or, and Blanc is fresh and luminous, perfect for those who value airy springtime palettes. That said, each version has its own story and appeal, making them highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts alike. Ultimately, Dans les bras de Selene is more than just a scarf. It's art, storytelling, and style, all in silk. Each colorway evokes a distinct mood, from bold summer vibrance to serene winter elegance. Which colorway speaks to you? Comment below, share your favorite styling ideas, and don't forget to follow for more Hermès reviews and inspiration. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time.